Ito guys, mga available units natin. 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS. Yan siya guys. Meron din tayo dito guys sa L300, Mitsubishi L300. Yan guys, 2024 model commuter 3.0, 20k Odo. Ito naman guys is 2024 commuter, 20,000 lang ang Odo nito. Ito naman guys is 2019 Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x4 automatic transmission, 73k mileage lang to guys. Yan. Ito naman guys is 2023 Ford Everest Titanium 4x2, 40k mileage lang to guys. Yan siya. Ito naman guys is 2024 Commuter Deluxe manual transmission. Yan yung mga available namin units for this January. Ito naman guys is 2024 Nissan Terra VL 4x4 automatic, top of the line, 17,000 lang ako doon ito guys. Battleship gray ang kulay. Ito guys, available din to 2024 Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x4, 23k mileage only. Yan naman boss is 2022 model Toyota Innova E manual transmission. For sale lahat yan guys. Yan guys, mga available namin units. So mag-inquire na kayo guys. Siyempre, dito lang yan sa Bass Auto Trading guys. Yan yung mga units namin. Super fresh quality units. Yan, bisita lang kayo dito guys sa showroom namin. Alright, Bass Auto Trading units, super fresh. Lahat ng units dito quality.